Tapon with wanderlearn.com, and I'm here with the, what's it called? Hunter's Tale UV umbrella. This is a really funny thing. Now, I've reviewed a lot of umbrellas that are made for backpacking. Now, this is not specifically designed for backpacking, but I thought those of you who like trekking poles might want to check this out. It's only $23. It's not that expensive. It has a nice reflective coat, so that it's good for the sun. Again, it's not made for backpacking. First of all, it's kind of weird. I don't like how the design is here. If you open it up, by the way, there's no pole here because it's going to go on your head. The only way, and they don't give you any instructions, which is even more stupid. But anyway, here's the key thing. You got to put it down on the ground. This, and you got to push. Push. Come on, close. Ah. See? And you push that little white thing inside there, and that way it's stable. Now, this part right here is where your head goes, and this is your chin strap. So let's try to wear this. This is the ultimate in complete dorkiness. That's right. So you can see, oops, hold on. Let me get my chin strap, because nothing is complete if you don't have the chin strap. There we go. So it's a one size fits all, and here's the chin strap. And there you go. You look about as dorky as can possibly be. But here's the thing. You got an ability to carry a backpack and your trekking poles at the same time. I know it's really hard not to laugh. I mean, if you want to make people laugh, just wear this thing on your head. But listen, what is backpacking all about? Seriously, guys. Are you there to do a fashion show? No. Nobody cares how you look when you backpack, right? So what you want is practicality. Now, practically speaking, you know, this is not going to be the best thing, because I imagine if there's a lot of wind, this might be a bit hard. You're going to have to walk like this, for example, if the wind is coming in from here. You're going to have to walk, because if you walk like this, it's going to invert. So that's one of the downsides. So it's not good for really difficult conditions. To me, this is more like a sun hat. And of course, that's how they advertise it. They say mostly a sun hat. By the way, people, for fishermen, they want it for fishermen. Maybe you're going to go see a ball game and you're not going to annoy the people behind you. That could work. You're going to sit there and play ball with your kids and you want to have more full body protection. Something simple like that. But for serious backpacking, it might not be great, just because if you want to use it for rain, it's not good. But for sun protection, as long as it's not too windy, could work. So, 23 bucks. And to take it off, it's pretty straightforward. You do this. You can find the links at the bottom of the video to see if you want to buy it. It's on Amazon. And to take it off, you can see right here, if you take a close-up, you find the little cord, this cord right here, and you just pull it. And there you go. You disconnect it. You wrap it up. And there it is. So that's it. Go to wanderlearn.com, subscribe to my podcast, and check me out on Patreon as well. This is France Tapon, encouraging you to wander and learn.